Hello, in front of me I've got iPad mini 2021. In this video I'll show you how to set home and work location in Google Maps. Firstly, open Google Maps and tap this button right here. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Edit Home or Work. Now let's go to Labeled section. Let me remove current addresses and tap on Home. Enter home address or choose point on map. For example here. Let's do the same thing with the work. For example here. And now we can navigate from home to work. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.